So guys, it's the next day from yesterday's vlog when we were preparing for Nayu's birthday. So yesterday she wasn't really in the vlog, but today she is, you know. She just woke up from a nap. But we are about to go to the stores to go get the rest of the stuff that we need, print out some pictures, print out some stuff. And she's also going to have her photo shoot, so we're getting ready for that. So I'm going to try this dress on her because I like it. And we're going to see if she's going to wear that. She has this skirt outfit, and it's real cute. And it says, "You are my sunshine." And then we have another dress. I'm going to blur it out until y'all won't be able to see it until tomorrow. But it's so cute. And then she has this, like, little romper fit. Yeah, I showed it to them. So, I mean, she's going to probably have a lot of fits. I'm trying to get her ready right now, but she's kind of being antsy. And I don't really like that, guys. I need to set y'all up somewhere where y'all can see. Yeah, so I'm about to try on this dress on her. See how I like it? I'm trying to get her undressed right now, though. So, guys, we are finally leaving the house after I finish getting ready. So, these are all her outfits. She has one on right now. Please don't give me hype. Write my name in ice. I can't argue with y'all lazy babies. I just raised my price. That's Mom, and that's Miss Girl. Say hi. Say hi. Anyways, I think that we are going to go do the photo shoot first, and then go to the store and get the rest of the stuff that we need. But go get your paper. Hey. Guys, I'm so pretty. Okay, guys, hold on. What are you doing? This is her. We're undressing her right now to get another outfit. Do we put the clothes on here? I'll insert the photos that we take though, but there's really pretty lighting out here. So, yeah. I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. So guys, we just finished the photo shoot. I'm about to check what time it is and let y'all know. It was so successful. We had 3 outfits: the sunshine skirt, the romper she has on right now, and a dress. So yeah, it was so successful. She did really, really good. She did really, really well. My mom did really good too, helping me set her up and get her dressed. And then I did pretty good on taking the photos and stuff. So right now, my mom and I have some errands to run. We have places to go. What the frick is that? We got places to go and stuff. So my mom's about to take me to Taco Bell because I want some cinnamon twists. Get back. Okay. But I'll talk to y'all when we get to the store.